In this video, we will learn about the conservation of soil. Now we know that soil erosion reduces soil fertility by removing the topmost fertile soil. Now therefore it is important to prevent and protect this topsoil from getting eroded either by wind or water. The protection of soil against its erosion is known as soil conservation. Now this can be done in different methods. So different methods of soil conservation are as follows. The first method is known as afforestation, or commonly we can address it as planting trees. So this is an effective method to prevent soil. So basically we can plant large number of trees on bare lands, and that process is known as afforestation. Now when we plant such huge trees or big plants in an area, the roots of the plants hold the soil particles together, and thus it protects the soil from being carried away by wind or water. Now roots of trees, bushes, grass and hedges along with boundaries of farmland shield the topsoil and prevent soil erosion to a much great extent. The second method is known as terrace farming. Terrace farming is similar to how we grow plants in our terrace, but instead of on a building, it is grown on a slopy region. Now on hilly slope, farming is done by cutting steps and terraces to reduce soil erosion. So imagine you have a slopy region. So if I take this is the hilly region. Now since it's already in a slopy region, when a rain water runs along the slope, it will carry away the soil. Now what should we do to prevent it? So when we have a slope, we will cut it into terraces. That is, so we will make steps like appearances, something like that, and we will practice farming at each level. So you can see here we have steps. Yes, so hence it is known as terrace farming. This reduces the speed of water and thus the speed of soil flowing downhill. The next method is by growing grass. When the land is not being used for farming, that is just after harvesting, it is always good to grow grass or some creeper in it. So the grass has to spread its fibrous root all over the ground. So we can grow grass or any plant which can spread very easily, and it should cover the topmost soil and keeps it wet and holds it firmly, so water or air will not be able to move the topsoil. And next method is to construct dam and embankments. Now floods include huge quantity of running water that washes away large part of the topsoil. Now dams are basically a checkpoints. Embankments are built on the rivers to check soil erosion by floods. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.